Namaste, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, a heartfelt thank you to each one of you for giving so much love to my very first video on difference between FIR and chart sheet. Your overwhelming support, comments, and shares really motivated me to come back stronger with episode 2. Thank you once again. Today, we are going to clear a very important yet confusing and extremely important concept in civil procedure: difference between necessary party and a proper party. This single concept can make or break your suit right at the admission stage. Let's understand it in a simple, practical, and detailed way. Whoever file a civil suit, the court's first question is, have you brought all the right people before it? And if the answer is no, your plaint can be returned, rejected, or the suit may be dismissed. This is where necessary and proper party come into play. Let us understand what do we mean by necessary party. A necessary party is a person who is indispensable to the suit. Without him or her, the court cannot pass an effective, complete, and binding order. Under rule in legal language, under Order 1, Rule 10 of CPC, a necessary party is one in whose absence no effective decree can be passed. For example, you and your brothers are co-owners of the house. You file a partition suit but forgot to implead one of your brother. The court cannot divide the property without all co-owners being present. Any decree passed without would be meaningless and non-binding on the missing brother. Hence, he is a very necessary party. Second example on necessary party would be if you are suing someone for declaration of the ownership of the land. The person in whose name the land is currently recorded in the revenue records must be made a party. Without him, the court cannot declare the title in your favor effectively. So, if it is very necessary, if a necessary party is not impleaded, the suit suffers from non-joinder of necessary party and can be dismissed at any stage. The courts are very strict on this. Now, let us understand what do we mean by proper party. A proper party is a person whose absence is not essential for passing an effective decree, but whose presence helps the court in arriving at a complete, effective, and a final adjudication of the dispute. Proper party should be joined. A suit can proceed without them, but joining them makes the judgment better and prevents future litigation. For example, if you have filed a suit for the specific performance of a sale agreement against the seller, the buyer who was negotiating through the property dealer, that is broker. The broker is not a necessary party because the court can still direct the seller to execute the sale deed. However, in pleading, the broker as a proper party will help the court understand the full chain of events, price negotiations, and avoid any future claims by the broker. A necessary party is the one who must be joined in the suit because without them the court cannot pass an effective decree at all. Their absence makes the suit defective and can lead to be dismissed. On other hand, the proper party is the one who should be joined because their presence helps the court in giving complete and effective justice, but their presence does not affect the maintainability of the suit. The case can still proceed and a valid decree can be passed even without them. In short, necessary party is mandatory for justice, whereas proper party is the only helpful for the fuller justice. In simple to remember forever, necessary party must be present. Without them, no effective order, whereas proper party should be present. With them, better justice is given. So, before ending the video topic, let me give you some golden tips for the filing of the case related to necessary and proper parties. Before filing any suit, prepare a party chart and ask, can the court pass a complete decree without this person? Second, if in doubt whether someone is necessary or proper, better to implead them as a proper party. It's safer. Under Order 1, Rule 10, Clause 2 of CPC. The court itself has the power to add any person as a party at any stage if it feels their presence is necessary for effective adjudication. Common mistake: adding unnecessary parties increases court fees and delays, so avoid it. If the suits for injunction, all persons likely to disturb possession should normally be made parties. So, friends, this that was a complete practical breakdown of necessary party versus proper party. I hope now you will feel confident about this topic. If this video helped you, please give it a big like, share it with your lawyer friends, law students, your family members. Subscribe and press the bell icon so you can never miss the future update episodes. Drop your questions or doubts in the comment section. I personally try to reply as many as possible. Also, tell me which CPC topic do you want me to cover in the next episode. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep winning your case. Namaste, Jai Hind. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.